to my channel. It's Caitlin here, and today I have a summer clothing haul. I think this is my third summer clothing haul this year. I'm sorry. So today I have a bunch of stuff sitting down here that I'm going to show you. I have purchased this over the last month, so kind of all of May. Some are specifically for my summer holiday, which I will be on whilst you're watching this video, and some stuff's just for nights out and just a mix and match basically. So without further ado, I will get started. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. It would make me really happy, and I will get into the clothing haul. Let's go. I'm gonna start off with Primark because Primark is always best during summer. It's the best place to go for summer shopping when you want some lightweight summer clothes. So I'm gonna start off with this because I got quite a lot. In no particular order, the first thing which I have at the top of my bag is this cami dress here. It's striped, which is not usual for me. I'm not usually a fan of stripes, but this did catch my eye because I could just see myself wearing this throughout my summer holiday with like a floppy hat and sandals. I just could picture myself in it. It is tight, which I wasn't expecting. I thought it was going to be more of an A-line style, but instead it's more figure hugging and a bodycon style, but I still quite like it. It was only £4, so you can't really go wrong for £4. Also from Primark, I picked up a ton of shorts. So the first pair which I have to show you are like a canvasy material. They are pale pink and they look like this. You'll see them in the try on clip as well. I was pretty much just attracted to these because of the colour, and also what I like about them is they're very modest, so they don't show like any of your bum at all, which is definitely very appropriate for the place that I'm going to, and they fit me really nicely. So this is the first pair, and these were £6. Next pair I picked up, I think these are my favourite pair of shorts that I've bought recently, and they are white, loose. You cannot see them at all in this video. Hopefully they will show up better in the try on clip, but they're just so pretty. They've got lace detailing in the sides, kind of coming from the centre down to your hips. They've got lace detailing. Just so pretty, so lightweight and perfect for really hot weather. And these cost me £6 as well. And then because I loved that style of shorts so much, I picked up the same style but in a corally orangey pink colour. You can probably see the lace kind of details to this one a little bit better. And again, I just love these, and I definitely think I'll get a lot of wear out of these on my summer holiday. So the next pair of shorts, which are extremely creased, these are just plain and simple dark blue shorts. They've got detailing around the bottoms. They've got like a bobbly, lacy trim around the edging, and they're just nice and lightweight, and these were £4. And then the final pair of shorts which I got from Primark are the cheapest of all. These are just black and white sporty style shorts. I'll probably end up wearing these as bed shorts when I get home back to the UK, but I just wanted to pick a pair up because they just go with anything, and they're really nice and casual and comfy, so I got these. And these are £2.50 from Primark. Also from Primark I got some vest t-shirts. So these are super creased. I do apologise because they have been sitting in my Primark bag for about a week now. So the first top is white, and you probably can't see it. It's a really nice material. I don't know what it's called, but I do really like this material and the feel to it. It has kind of like a harder, more canvassy type feel, texture, and at the bottom it's got like a frilly trim to it, so it just adds a little bit extra to a plain white vest. And this white vest was £8. And then also I picked up another white vest. This is a little bit more basic and very thin. You'll probably see in the try on clip that you can see like everything underneath it, so I'll probably have to wear like a bikini with this or something. It's got straps that cross over at the back, and it's just super simple, super plain, but it will hopefully keep me a little bit cooler in the hot weather. So yes, I picked up this, and this was £3. And then the last top which I picked up from Primark, I'm not 100% sure on, but it was only £3, so I didn't feel too guilty buying it. It is navy blue with thin spaghetti straps and then a peplum style bottom. I do really like it, but the only thing is these straps are very long, so the bottom part where the chest is very low, and for me that makes me feel a little bit uncomfortable, just maybe not the ideal fit for me. So since we're on the theme of summer stuff, I'm going to continue on with that kind of thing. So from Shein I picked up a couple things for my summer holiday again. So I picked up firstly a pair of shorts. Running theme throughout this video, I just needed shorts. So these ones are black with white stitching around the leg holes. It's just nice and floaty. I really like this material. I wish I could tell you what type of material this is, but I haven't a clue. And again, although they're small on the waist, they are quite long, so you don't feel like you're revealing too much. And also from Shein I picked up a two-piece which I absolutely love and fits me so well, so I'm really excited to wear this on my holiday. So the bottoms look like this, they kind of look like pajama print. So they are white and blue stripes and the shorts just look like this, pretty standard. And the top half is just like a crop top style and then it ties at the back. Obviously it's untied here, but hopefully you can see what it all looks like on in the try-on clip. But I just love how nicely these two look together, and also I really love this top and I feel like I could wear this top with so many variations of shorts on the bottom half, so I really do love this clothing item here. And then finally from Shein I picked up something which is not so much for my summer holiday, but it's still pretty summery. It is a black denim skirt. This is like a bodycon style, so it hugs your figure. It has little slits on the sides of your legs, so it just kind of opens up slightly, if you can see that. And I do really like this, and it fits very well on me. It's quite short, but that's natural because I have very long legs, so things always look quite short on me. And yes, I picked up this. Also, I picked up some sunglasses. These are from Hawkers and they very kindly sent them to me. And I do also have a discount code for you, so if you want to use it and get some cheaper sunglasses, then you definitely can use it. So both pairs which I got are from the Warwick range of their sunglasses. So the first pair inside here, which I have to show you, look like this. They have like a turtle brown print on the frame, and then they're just black lenses. This is what they look like on. They're super cool and really big, and I really like this style. So this is the first pair which I picked up. I will leave a link to these, as I usually do with everything, in the description box. And then the second pair which I got are again from the Warwick range, but these are a little bit funkier. They have a black frame and then blue lenses. I think they're a bit dirty actually, let's watch them. And they're so cool. I really love sunglasses with coloured lenses. I think they make any outfit just look so cool. So again, as I said, these are from the Warwick range, and I will leave an exact link to them so you can check them out. Next up, I picked up a bralette. This is from Luna Amora. It's just a lace black bralette. It doesn't have any padding or anything in the cups, so it's definitely more of an accessory kind of style, so I would wear this underneath a like fancy top just to give like a lace detailing underneath. And the band is nice and thick and elastic, so it stretches to your body size, so I picked up this also. Then I picked up a belt. This one is from H&M. If you watched my previous haul video, you will have seen that I picked up a white belt instead of a black one because I couldn't find one, but I've eventually got round to buying myself a black one because that is what I wanted in the first place. It's got gold detailing on the buckle and it's just plain black, so yes. I think this was like £2. It was super cheap, and I think it was half price as well. So next up I have a pair of boots. I picked these up from Dorothy Perkins and they were £10 reduced from £35. They are a really soft suede material. They are slightly too wide for me, but I just popped some insoles in them and they fit really well. So I picked these up and they were such a bargain. As I said, they were £10 reduced from £35. The next thing which I have to show you is from New Look, and I actually purchased this from the kids section. I got this in an age 12 to 13. I tried on the 14 to 15 and it was way too big for me, so I got it in the 12 to 13. And it's just a really nice bright orange halter neck crop top. It's a really soft material, it's nice and summery, and it was just so cheap. I think this was like $4.99, which is amazing. So I'm gonna move on to showing you some more kind of fancier night out style clothes. I mean, I guess I could actually wear these during the daytime as well, but besides the point. So I picked some stuff up from Boohoo. All of them I picked up were bodysuits. So the first bodysuit which I purchased was this red bandeau style bodysuit, so it clips down at the bottom. I really like this. It's a really lovely bright red colour. The only thing about it is it's a little bit too short for me because I'm so tall, so throughout the night I kind of have to keep pulling it up, which is a bit annoying. But I do love this colour and love the style, and I love how it looks on. So the second thing which I got from Boohoo is another bodysuit. It is a pale muted pink colour and it has a low back at the back, and it's just quite plain. It's a really nice soft cotton material, and yeah. And then also from Boohoo I picked up a plain black strappy bodysuit. This has thin straps and a very open back at the back, like your whole back is on show with this. I dressed this up on a night out a couple weeks ago, but you could just as easily wear this during the daytime and tuck it into a pair of shorts. And actually this was from the tall section in Boohoo, so it fits me so well because it's long enough for me. Okay, so moving on to Topshop. I picked up one thing from Topshop. I got a new pair of jeans because I feel like in every haul video I always show at least one pair of jeans. So these ones are the Jamie style jeans. They are black and they are the high-waisted style but with the belt loops, which is really handy because then I can wear my belt with them. So they're just plain black. They are from the tall section because I'm tall. So yeah, they're just plain black, Jamie jeans, belt loops, you know the drill. This is what they look like. We all know what jeans look like. Finally, we are getting to the end of this haul. I have one more brand to show you, and that is Nike. First up, I picked up this top here for the gym. It is a blue colour. I really love blue. I think it's one of my favourite colours. And yeah, this is what it looks like. And I think I got this really cheap, like £11 or something. It was in the sale section. This is what it looks like. It's got mesh on the back and then cotton on the front. And then also from Nike I picked up a pair of black leggings. Funnily enough, I actually don't own black gym leggings. All my gym leggings are like multicoloured, bright colours, so I felt like I needed to buy a dark pair just because it can go with pretty much any top. So the ones which I got are from the Nike Pro range, and they have this really nice mesh kind of down the side, so it keeps you nice and cool. We'll hopefully see them a little bit better in the try on clip, and I think these were like £20 because I got my boyfriend's discount and I think they were reduced as well. So that is everything which I have to show you in this haul video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and like seeing the stuff which I picked up for my summer. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy it, then feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye!